Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 proven tips to make money online with affiliate marketing thanks to YouTube. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. I strongly suggest you to go and check it out. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 proven tips to make money online with affiliate marketing thanks to YouTube. The number one, passion is all. Yes. I'm gonna strong I'm gonna emphasize on this. Okay, passion is all. Passion is everything. You need to share products that you feel passionate about. Okay, you need to believe in the product. Most people are out there promoting products, but they don't believe on them, and you can tell whenever you are actually watching the videos, whenever you are checking out their reviews. Maybe they haven't tested the product themselves. So why are you gonna do that? I mean, there is no reason. So you need to share products that you feel passionate about. If you feel passionate about, it's like whenever you're telling your best friend about the best, I don't know, the best game console that you buy, the best movie that you just watch, the best restaurant which you have dinner. You're gonna share everything, every single detail, and people can tell you're gonna be so excited, you're gonna be smiling all the time. you know People know. So this is exactly the same whenever you're doing a YouTube channel. Okay, if you're gonna promote a product, make sure that you already test it yourself, make sure that you really enjoy the experience on it, and make sure again that you believe in the product. Number two, you need to make sure that the product is aligned to your brand. The product or the products that you're going to promote, they need to be aligned with your brand. So they need to be aligned with your voice. Why do I say this? It's because this is your YouTube channel. It do have your own personality. If you do have your own voice, you have ways in which you're going to explain things to people, and people are watching your videos because of you, right? So again, whenever you're creating a YouTube channel, the YouTube channel needs to be niche related. So the products that you're going to promote, they're going to be niche related, and they're going to be products that are going to be solving people's products on that niche. Okay, so for example, my channel, it's all about entrepreneurship, online entrepreneurship. So the products that I suggest is products that I know that others, online entrepreneurships, other people who are looking to make money online, they need. Okay, so everything that I mentioned here, everything it's aligned. Not talking about random topics. I'm not jumping from one shiny object to the next shiny object, because first of all, I refer products that I believe, that I use, that I already test, and most of the time I teach people how to use them. Okay, they are related to my niche. So whenever someone come to my channel, hey, they know that I'm going to provide them valuable information, and they know if I do have a product that I'm going to promote, that I'm going to suggest them to test, it's because it's going to be a great product. It's because it's going to be a product that I believe. It's because they know that the product is related to the niche. The third proven tip is that you need to do a search or a research about the search activity. How much interest is in your product or the product that you're going to promote? Are people actively looking for this? Again, the best way to promote a product online, not only on YouTube, is making sure that the product that you're going to promote, it's going to solve a problem. Okay, it's going to solve a problem, or it's going to help people to get or achieve a better status. A tool that I use, it's Keywords Everywhere. It's a Chrome extension. I think it's a Firefox extension. I'm not 100% sure because I don't use Firefox, but it's a free Chrome extension that whenever you type in a keyword, it can be a product name, right, or it can be a long-term keyword. It's gonna let you know how many people are actively looking for that information per month. It's also gonna give you related keywords so you can have a better idea and a better understanding. Maybe someone it's looking to buy a camera, right? But they want to know how they can use it, how it can help them. Is there is a downside on the camera? If they are doing comparison between that camera and another camera, everything is gonna be there with keywords everywhere. That gives me to another point. That got me to another point. The product name and the product category. Okay, sometimes there are people who are actively looking for a product name. Again, if I go for the camera, let's say that they are gonna be actively doing a keyword research about the Canon D7 camera because they are pros. They want to know like how it's performed, what's the cost, where can they get the best deal. They want to check out reviews. They want to check out the camera in action. But maybe there are other people who really don't know. They know that they need a camera, but maybe they don't know like, hey, which camera can I go for? So maybe they're just typing in blogging cameras or video blogging cameras or cameras for YouTube, something like that. So as you can see, it's the product category. Again, you can get more ideas about it by using the Chrome extension that it's called Keyword Everywhere. So sometimes we think that we hit a home run whenever we target the product name, but you can help more people and maybe you can get more buyers and you can educate more people by using the product categories. Okay, the perfect timing. My suggestion again, use keywords everywhere, but also check on Google Trends. Check out like whenever, let's say that you are on a movie channel, you're doing movie reviews. Okay, you need to be with the trends. You need to know like whenever there is some news out there, when this movie is gonna be released. So the same with the products. You can do a video review before the product launch if you already have the if you already have access to it, if you know that there is going to be a product launching that is going to be related to um, to your niche. Also, you can do a review video when the product is already launched. Okay, when the product is new, the product is fresh. So because more people are going to be actively looking for it. If you are the last person who do it because you did not find out that people were doing this a kind of search, you're gonna miss it. Okay, the same like, let's say that you're gonna have a special offer, or you hear that there is this store or this product that is gonna have a special offer for Black Friday. Hey, don't create a video on Black Friday, create a video before. Okay, or create a series of videos before so people are gonna be aware. Most of the time people are doing research before and not exactly on the same day. Okay, you need to plan your content. This is something that I do it. I in my case I do a weekly plan. I'm not good with monthly plans. I need to understand my limitations. So it's better to know, and it's easier for you to create content if you already know what you're going to be talking about. Okay, if not, you're going to be wasting all day long trying to figure out what you're going to be talking about. This is work for me and it can work for you. Last but not least, you need to pay attention to the trends in your industry. And with that says, not only online but offline. Okay, I really don't know what's your niche or what's your industry, right? But I know that most of us make the mistake to check out on the trends just online. But maybe you're gonna be on the mall, and let's say is that you're gonna be doing reviews about dresses. I don't know, I'm just making it up. And like there is a pattern whenever you go to the mall and whenever you get into the store, there are different kind of cuts on the dresses, and maybe no one else is already talking about this online. So you can record a video explaining like, hey, this is the hot, this is the best for the summer, for the winter. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to check out that the industry is not only online but also offline. So This is it for this video. Again, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm gonna leave a link below. Check it out. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. This is gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have some questions, you have some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is it for this video. I see you on the next one.